Energy is the story of the universe, from the birth of stars to the growth of a single leaf. Everything is a transfer of energy. For centuries, we relied on fossil fuels, ancient sunlight, to power our world, but that inheritance is running out. Now, we're at a turning point, learning to harness the sun's immediate abundant energy. This is the dawn of the renewable energy age, a shift in both technology and mindset. Our future depends on working with nature, not just consuming its past. Investing in renewables isn't just financial, it's a commitment to a healthier planet and economy. When you invest, you're funding the infrastructure and innovators building a sustainable world. Some are drawn by the logic of infinite energy, others by the desire to leave a better world for the next generation. This transition is one of the greatest economic opportunities of our time. We're rebuilding the energy foundation of society, requiring new technologies and ways of thinking. Your money can help build solar farms or wind turbines, turning personal investment into collective progress. The beauty of renewables is their democratic nature. The sun shines and the wind blows everywhere. Clean energy potential exists in nearly every community, decentralizing power and increasing resilience. Investing in renewables means supporting energy independence and a system less vulnerable to global shocks. It's about building a future powered by the predictable, ever-present forces of the cosmos. Imagine you have a jar of cookies. This year, $10 buys the whole jar. Next year, it buys less. That's inflation. Inflation is the gradual rise in prices, quietly eroding your money's value. If your savings just sit in a bank, they're losing purchasing power every day. The goal of investing is to outpace inflation, so your money grows, not shrinks. If inflation is 3% a year, your investments need to beat that just to break even. Over decades, inflation can turn a large sum into something far less significant. Think of your financial future as a journey. Inflation is the headwind slowing you down. Investing is the engine that propels you forward, overcoming inflation's drag. Different investments are like different engines, some powerful, some steady. The key is finding the right mix for your goals and risk tolerance. Long-term strategy is crucial because inflation is a persistent force. We need assets that generate real returns, growth that outpaces rising costs. That's why wise investors look to essential, tangible things, like the energy that powers our lives. It's a quest for stability in a world of constant economic change. Renewable energy means capturing the ongoing power of our planet and its star. Solar power is the most familiar, panels catching sunlight and turning it into electricity. Investing in solar can mean rooftop panels or shares in companies running massive solar farms. Wind power harnesses, moving air with turbines, on land or offshore, to generate clean electricity. You can invest in wind by owning a stake in wind farms or companies building these projects. Hydropower uses flowing water to spin turbines, often through large utility companies. Geothermal taps into Earth's internal heat, especially in volcanic regions. You don't need to build a turbine yourself. Modern finance lets you invest through stocks or funds. Renewable energy ETFs let you own a slice of many companies spreading risk. These tools make it easy to be part of the energy revolution. It's a way to own a piece of the future. The UK encourages green energy with smart incentives. The feed-in tariff paid homeowners for generating clean power. Now, the Smart Export Guarantee, SEG, pays you for surplus electricity sent to the grid. SEG lets you shop for the best rate, turning your roof into a revenue-generating asset. Grants and vouchers, like the Green Homes Grant, help with upfront costs. Though programs change, always check OffGem for the latest. These incentives make renewables more accessible, supporting jobs and national climate goals. For beginners, they're a green welcome mat, lowering risk and speeding up returns. In the U.S., the Federal Investment Tax Credit, ITC, is a game changer. Deduct a big chunk of your solar installation cost from your taxes. Many states add their own incentives, extra tax credits, cash rebates, or net metering, where your meter spins backward when you send power to the grid. Programs vary by state, so research local options using resources like the DSIR database. The production tax credit rewards large-scale projects, while net metering benefits homeowners. By stacking federal, state, and utility incentives, you can dramatically shorten the payback period. The result? Going green is not just good for the planet, it's a smart financial move. The US and UK take different paths to the same goal. The US ITC slashes upfront costs, making it easier to buy into renewables. The UK's SEG focuses on long-term revenue, paying you for the energy you export. US incentives are broad and simple. UK incentives reward ongoing production. In the US, state programs add extra layers. In the UK, SEG is universally available, but rates vary by supplier. Both systems have strengths. Upfront discounts ease entry, while export payments reward long-term ownership. The ideal? A blend of both. Lower entry costs and steady returns. As policies evolve, both countries may borrow from each other to accelerate the shift to renewables. For investors, understanding these differences helps you make the most of your opportunities. Starting your renewable energy investment journey is simpler than it seems. First, educate yourself. Learn about technologies and incentives where you live. Use online tools to estimate your potential savings. If you're considering installation, get multiple quotes from certified installers. A good proposal will show system size, production, cost, and how incentives benefit you. If you can't install panels, you can still invest. Buy stocks or ETFs focused on renewables. ETFs offer diversification and lower risk. Start small, install a system that fits your needs, or invest a modest amount in the market. The key is to take action, however small. Your first investment, whether a rooftop panel or a share in a green fund, makes you an active participant in the clean energy economy. It's your personal launch sequence. Every step, no matter how small, moves you closer to a sustainable future. The journey begins with a single informed choice. Renewable energy investments are a powerful shield against inflation. Electricity costs are volatile, but solar panels lock in your rates for decades. Sunlight is free. Every kilowatt hour you generate is one you don't buy at rising prices. Your solar system becomes an inflation-proof asset, growing in value as energy costs climb. It's like owning a goose that lays golden eggs. Each year, those eggs are worth more. This principle applies to larger investments too. Companies running wind or solar farms sell electricity into a market where prices rise. Long-term contracts create predictable, inflation-resistant revenue streams. While savings accounts lose value, renewable investments gain it. You're investing in the hardware that powers society, real assets with real value. This strategy offers security and stability that's hard to find elsewhere. Your investment is anchored to the sun's endless energy. It's a smart, future-proof move. We're living through a historic shift. Renewable energy is no longer a dream, but a reality. Government incentives invite us all to participate in this transformation. Investing in renewables is optimism in action, a vote for progress and a cleaner planet. Whether you install panels or invest in green companies, you're building a resilient future. These investments shield your savings from inflation and grow in value as energy costs rise. The path is clearer and more accessible than ever. The choice is ours. Watch from the sidelines or step in and help shape the future. The sun gives us endless energy. Now we can harness it for good. By investing in renewables, you're investing in progress, the planet, and yourself. The future is bright. Let's power it together.